Oft I pray, not mindful my portion. Oft I ask for more than I need. Should I ask of God in heaven, hear my prayer, my expectations. Though God loves to hear what I pray for, though He loves me more when I pray, will He choose His answer to convey? May I pray like Jesus. May Your will define my prayer. May Your words transcend me. Not my will, but Thine be done. Then a strange thing seems to happen. Jesus' Spirit intercedes to change my prayer, so God will answer me. Then I pray for prayers unanswered. May Your Spirit intercede. More like Jesus, make this change in me. If my prayers align with Jesus, if I've done the best that I can, my prayers answered, heart rejoicing, Thy will truly done.